Hello and welcome to another episode of Unboxing with Ball. And today I'm excited to bring you Logitech's M100 full-size corded mouse. Sometimes we just need to get back to basics. Let's take a look at it. So you can currently find this mouse on most retailers. I got this from Best Buy for only $10, $9.99. This is just a very plain full-size regular wired mouse. There is no RGB, there is no Bluetooth, there is no wireless. Again, normal wired full-size mouse. The only thing setting this apart from your grandpa's old mouse is probably the fact that this has an optical sensor, a little laser looking thing in there, as opposed to the little rubber ball. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this. Looks like we got important safety, compliance, and warranty information all in one. Here's the mouse itself. It's supposed to be an ambidextrous mouse, as you can use it for either right-handed or left-handed use, as it is, again, the same size on both sides. You know, very cheap feeling, you know, I want to say, wait, but it is $10. This is the cheapest budget mouse that Logitech offers, if I am not mistaken. So, yeah, pretty cheap, clicky sounding mice, you know. Very crisp, you know. However, again, I didn't get this because I wanted a soft, quiet mouse. I just got this because sometimes my Bluetooth mice will run out of battery, they will die. As of recently, my Zhu Lang RGB gaming mouse, that one, the charging port started to go out on it, and it's just very annoying. The cable itself is a 6-foot cable, so it should reach all the way back to your computer for the most part, for the majority of desks, right? Again, this is an optical sensor, and it does have 4 little feet for it to skate on. This is not the smoothest surface in the world, but I mean, it's okay. It's a mouse, okay? It's a $10 mouse. It is the most basic mouse from Logitech, and I'm only opening it so that you guys can see what it looks like, that it's nothing special. There's no lighting in there, just a little scroll wheel that you can click on the middle, you know, 3 regular buttons. And let's go ahead and plug it into our computer. Here we go. We just go ahead and we plug it in. Okay, setting up USB optical mouse, and literally the moment we plug it in, mouse is working. I'm not sure if you guys can see it on the screen, but it's moving, it's working, and it's just, again, it's nice to have a regular solid mouse that's just plugged in, that I don't have to worry about it dying on me, that I don't have to be I feel that with the advent of wireless devices, we've become slaves to the batteries, to keeping them charged. Point in case with my AirPods, I love my AirPods Pro, but I'm always worried, right before I pick them up, I'm always worried, are they charged? Did I forget to charge them? Did I leave them on all night last night? Did I have them in my ears all night? And did the battery just die on them? And it's very nice just to, again, be able to just plug something in. You don't understand it until you've had all of your mind sight on you. I have 2 wireless mice, and both of them either died or failed on me, and now I'm left without a mouse, without one of the most rudimentary devices for you to input information into a computer. I encourage everybody to have the analog equivalent of all these tech items you rely on. If you use headphones very often, get yourself a pair of wired headphones. It's never too bad, or it's never too much to have an extra item just in case you need it. It's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. In case you want to see what the optical sensor looks like, here's what it looks like when it's turned on. And again, just a normal wireless mouse. Oh, I did forget to mention it is 1000 DPI. And about 1.5 inch size worth of a trackpad, I have access to my whole screen. Go ahead and leave me in the comments. What are your thoughts on the Logitech M100 wired mouse? What are other basic mice at this price point? There are good solid options. Again, this is tried and true. This has been around for a few years now, and this is kind of like the budget office standard. And as always, thanks for watching.